Hey, pretty girl. It's pretty gloomy out here, isn't it? Well, I got a piece of bacon for you. Who feeds stray cats bacon? I do. I know. Do you want your bacon? So she'll take it from my hand. Just grab it. She does not trust anyone. Here, let me put it on your plate. There you go, girl. Go get your bacon. No? See, she doesn't trust me, but she wants that bacon. Good girl. I don't even feed my own cats bacon, but this girl gets bacon. Enjoy. Hi to my mom. She's watching as well. And let's start talking about some deals. Okay guys, so the first store that we have is Walgreens, and this morning in your digital coupons folder at the very top, we have new boosters for next week, which will be starting on the 18th and lead right till the Saturday. Load those right away. They're really fantastic. Not every card gets it. It's always a your mileage may vary. So today I went and did this deal, and I made a video specifically about this yesterday. This is the one that I grabbed, guys, which is the Dove Extra Fresh. A lot of chatter in the comments. Some of you were saying that if you bought the one with charcoal or other goofy, you know, the $3 coupon was not attaching, but it's attaching to this specific one. This guy is $4.99 this week. We have a $3 digital coupon. I used 2,000 points. I paid the balance of the tax, and IBOTTA has a $2.50 rebate, making this free, plus a 51-cent money maker. And that IBOTTA rebate is supposed to be expiring in 2 days, so do it sooner than later. The next little dealio that we have is with the Eucerin lotion. These guys are 2.7 ounces. They are on a buy one, get one 50% off. So the first one was $5.79 and the second one was $2.89. I had a $2 digital plus a $2 coupon from a recent insert, subtracting $4 right there. Now my total was $4.68 plus tax. In Michigan, you can actually use your points to pay down some of your tax, so that's what I did. And I paid down like pennies of tax after that. And then IBOTTA has $1.50 back for each of them, plus $1 bonus when you buy 2 of these products. So, you know, it shaked out to like 68 cents for the 2. I'm okay with that. Okay, the next store that we have is Rite, and kind of a slower week over there. They had a spectacular deal with Schick razors. There was like a $2 rebate or a $3 rebate and a $4 coupon. Unfortunately, though, that IBOTTA rebate vanished, so I wasn't able to do it. But if you were able to do it earlier in the week, that's fantastic. With all of the IBOTTA rebates, I've been noticing that a lot of them are just disappearing. So always a rule of thumb, double, triple check them to make sure that you're not like, you know, leaving the store in tears and no IBOTTA money. So this first deal is quite fantastic. They were buy one, get one 50% off last week. This week they're just at a gold discount for $4.79. So if you have a gold discount, it's $4.79. We have a $2 coupon from a recent insert. You would pay $2.79 out of pocket. IBOTTA has a $2 rebate, making it 79 cents per box of Playtex. And I did it twice because I was able to do it twice. Another great little deal that's a freebie that anyone can do are these Russell Stover's Halloween candies. They are 2 for $1. You would pay that and get back $1 of bonus cash, making it free. This is once per store card. I'm going to talk about Meijer next. If you want to fast forward to Walmart, please look at the timestamps in the notes. The first fantastic deal is on these Fisher walnut halves and pieces. I like to make brownies, and brownies are just not the same without some walnuts. And this is 2 2/3 cups. That's a lot of walnuts. $6.99 for the first. And this one will be free. That's a store promotion. So you would pay $6.99 for the 2, get back a $4 register reward or Catalina to use on your next order on anything in the store. IBOTTA is giving me back $1 for each, so I'm going to get $2 back, making it 99 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per bag of nuts. Nuts. I understand that walnuts, pecans, there's a couple other nuts that are included, but the pecans are $7.99 for your bags. This is $6.99, so it's a little bit less, and I would rather have walnuts than pecans. Pecans, pecans, however you say it, please don't come for me in the comments. That's one of those words that people get really excited about, but I would rather have the walnuts. Deal over at Meijer is with the Skintimate. This lady is $3.09. We have a $3 M-Perk. So it makes it 9 cents, 1 per store card. How fantastic is that? In case you loaded this on Sunday, this wee layered dessert, it has to have the word layered on it because there's also one that's like lemon custard and vanilla bean, but it's not a layered dessert. This was a free M-Perk along with 3 other yogurts. So if you loaded all of them on Sunday, you are in business to get all of them. So how great is that? And shout out to NerdyBirdie99 over on Instagram. She provided a lot of information for some of these deals, and I do appreciate it because Meijer is one of those stores, unless I'm hearing from you guys, I don't really, like, I go there to buy groceries, but to do couponing, I'm kind of more at the pharmacies or Walmart or Dollar General, so, you know, it's just a time management problem, but she's always on them, and she has really fantastic deals. So thank you so much, Karen. You are awesome. Okay guys, so we're at Walmart, and there's a bunch of freebies, including the Impossible Meat. You would pay the $5.98, and IBOTTA is giving you back the full amount to try that. Another freebie is this Oikos. It's like a yogurt drink. This guy is $1.84. Pay that, and IBOTTA will give you back the full amount. Freebie that I could track down is this Star Wars family size cereal. This guy is $3.64, and there is a full amount rebate for $3.64 from IBOTTA, making this box of cereal completely for free. Okay, so the first product that we're going to talk about here with the Let Me Shine line is these dishwasher cleaners. They are $2.48 each. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $4.96. And IBOTTA has a $2 back when you buy 2 of them, making it $2.96 for the 2 or $1.48 for each of them. No coupons needed. Now this deal only set once on my Shopkick account, so I was only able to do it once. This is the Let Me Shine dishwasher booster. So no spots or film. You'll just have the best clean dishes in all of Michigan. This guy is $3.28. IBOTTA had a $1 rebate, and I had 300 Shopkick kicks with that, so it made it $1.28 after everything was said and done. But that Shopkick rebate never reset for me, so you want to double, triple check that before you buy it. These Let Me Shine dishwasher tabs, sorry there's a bit of a glare, they are $3.97 each, so for 2 of them that's $7.94. IBOTTA has a very generous $4 back when you buy 2 of them, and 200 kicks back from Shopkick, so it basically makes it $2.94 for the 2. Not too shabby. And this is a 15 pack of these dishwasher tabs, so you're getting 30 for $2.94. Not bad. So anytime I've been in or out of, oh bless you pumpkin, anytime I've been in or out of Walmart in the last couple of days, I've always been grabbing one of these really inexpensive 10-ounce dishwasher soaps or dish soaps. They are 96 cents. Shopkick is giving back 200 points, which is basically $1, essentially making it for free. Another sensational deal is on the Ajax dish soap. These guys are $1.64. I had a 40-cent coupon from one of the recent inserts, plus 40 cents back from IBOTTA, making it 84 cents after everything's said and done. And the lid on this one was kind of flimsy because I lost this much dish soap in the back of my car, which really sucked. That was not fun cleaning up. I did this over 2 transactions just to note that. And for the Palmolive, I have 3 of them. That's over 3 different visits to the store. One of my favorite drinks ever is Powerade. I love it so much. So these Powerades are 74 cents a pop. So for 2 of them, that's $11.48. IBOTTA has 44 cents back when you buy 2, making it $1.04 for 2 or 52 cents for each. Now this is a different kind of Powerade. It's called Powerade Ultra, and all of this was on clearance for 80 cents at my store. Initially, I think it was like $1 a pop. So 80 cents on clearance, and I got 20 cents back on IBOTTA, making it 60 cents, and I could do it up to 5 times. So I got 4 here. I already drank one because I'm such a pig, but I really like these Powerades. You might want to look for them if you like this sort of stuff in your house. The C4 energy drink, this is not too bad. This is $1.88. IBOTTA has a 90-cent rebate when you buy one of these, making it 98 cents for an energy drink. I'm okay with that. The La Colombe coffee drink, find this where they have the coffee creamer and all that magic. This is a little bit more expensive at $2.68. IBOTTA has a 75-cent rebate, making it $1.93. My husband loves this, so I have no problem springing for this once in a while. And the limit for this was 3 per store card. So you know where they sell the soda and all that magic? They have an end cap where they have all these ahas for $1. So I paid $1 for this, and Shopkick has 200 points back when you buy it, essentially making it for free. And in Michigan, you have to pay a bottle deposit on this, so just to note that. The Butterfingers are 88 cents. I did this over 2 different trips. 25-cent rebate on IBOTTA, making it 63 cents each. These are $1.24 each. I got 2 blacks and 2 greens. And this is 2 different rebates. So for 2 of them, it's $2.49. And when you buy 2 of them, you get a rebate back for $2.49. Now, legit guys, yesterday when I did this, my rebate was expiring in 59 minutes. I managed to get it, but it was a really tight timeline. So there you have that. Ritz crackers, I got both 4 cheese and a cheddar one. My husband likes crackers with soup, so I always like to have these on hand. These were $2.68 each. IBOTTA has $1 back, so it makes it $1.68. Skippy is $2.47. We have $1 hang tag found on the product in the store. It's just a coupon that hangs from the product. So I paid $1.47. IBOTTA has $1 rebate back for this guy, making it 47 cents. The limit for that was up to 5, but I only got 1 of them because I'm thinking that if there are more like midweek money makers or weekend warrior, I can go and try and get more of these because it's such a great little deal. And that is a lot of peanut butter for 47 cents. The Post O's, Oreo O's, I got it over 2 different trips. These guys are $3.98. IBOTTA has a 50-cent rebate back for the cereal, and there's 800 Shopkick points, so that's basically $3.20. So 28 cents per box, definitely a donation item to a food pantry near my home. And then this yeast, I was able to get a bunch of it. These guys are 93 cents each. There was a 75-cent coupon from an insert from a couple weeks back, making it 18 cents. And I have been in and out of Walmart a lot lately, so I took a display box. They allow you to take that at my store. I asked one of the employees, I'm like, hey, can I grab this? 'Cause I'm buying a bunch. And I've gotten enough where, you know, I have enough for the winter time. And this is one thing I want to get into, is making my own bread and pastries and that sort of stuff. So checking the expiry date, this is good for, I think, a year and a half. So I'm definitely gonna, August of 2022, written right here. So I'm definitely gonna try and pick up bread making this winter and maybe, you know, try something new. Why not? Couple clearance finds are these Starbucks, the Starbucks Nespressos, the pods, and these guys were $2 each. Find this in the regular aisle where they sell the Nespressos and Keurigs. It was not in the clearance section. And this one is my husband's favorite. I didn't have a coupon or a rebate to go with this, but I found 5, so I paid that $10 for his favorite coffee. 50 caps, he'll be drinking his coffee for a really long time. And then this I found in the clearance section, 50 cents for some scissors. If you're an extreme couponer and you're always clipping coupons, for example, at Rite Aid, that darn flyer, you're probably gonna need to grab one of these, so you know, you will always have scissors in hand. And it comes with a little thing so you won't, like, you know, tear up your purse. So for 50 cents, this is a really great little item to pick up, especially if you're a couponer. I can't stress it enough, when you're in the store, definitely double, triple check your IBOTTA account that the rebates are there, because I noticed too that a lot of my rebates were disappearing, or they had some really weird timeline where they were like expiring in minutes or seconds, or they had already expired. And you just don't want to get caught in that racket, you know, especially when you're out there trying to make like a weekend warrior, or trying to finish some sort of like level. So good luck with this, guys. And just to show you, we have some company now on the back deck. I think the word's out that there's bacon, so I got to feed these 2 little angels. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.